QuickBooks has recently changed how they connect bank accounts in the interface itself. So I'm going to just look at that today. So when you come to the link bank account thing, it's more or less the same as before initially. I'm going to connect an RBC Visa card today as an example. So enter your card number and your password as normal and click continue. And this is where things get interesting. Obviously, you might have to go through security checks to say you're not a robot. Click continue. You might have a security two-factor authentication thing, text message, whatever. You're just going to have to get through that. Now, next it'll take you to which accounts do you want to connect. So what it's asking you is based on the login you've given it, these are the accounts it can find. Is this, sometimes you'll have 3 or 4. I only have 1 account on this login. It's this RBC low rate Visa. So I'm going to go down here and just choose a date range. This is important depending on what you're wanting to do. If it's been disconnected, there's been some sort of catastrophe midway through a period, you'll want to be careful here and use a custom date, which just takes you to the calendar. I'm just going to choose this year for mine. Doesn't matter if you choose this year here, it does the same thing. Now, this got me for a while. Sometimes some visas and credit cards can only pull in 90 days, and this is about 180 days. I thought that's what it was, but actually it's not. On my computer, my date is currently set to year, month, day. So if I switch it around here manually to year, month, day, which is not an option into it, and click next. So if you get that error, that invalid date, look down at your computer's date in the corner of your screen where your time and date is and see what format that's in. Choose the custom option and type the date you want in that format and see if that works. Okay, so it is a credit card. This is the next thing they ask you. Normally we would do all this on one screen and just pick the card from a drop-down or create a new account. So this can add a little bit of confusion if you're reconnecting an existing card like I am. I'm wondering why they're asking this sort of thing. And also, if you don't have your account type set up correctly in QuickBooks, if you say call this credit card a bank account or a line of credit or loan, it won't show up in the choices next, so be careful. So here it says existing accounts or create new account. A little bit weak here on the explanation, but what it means is that if you don't choose anything here, it will create an account. That's kind of your option. You're creating a new account or you're choosing one. Now, as I said, I am reconnecting one, so I'm going to choose that one, RBC Visa. If it was a brand new account, yes, create a new account, etc. It's unlikely you'll be doing that kind of thing. Most of us are reconnecting existing ones. So have a look here. And as I said, if you don't find it, it could be because it's not a credit card type. You see the way it says credit card on the right-hand side? That's because previously I chose credit card. So if I choose a checking account, click next, it just won't even give me an option. It says, hey, creating a new account, because it doesn't know of any checking accounts in my books that are not connected. So likewise, if I choose cash, you'll probably find my petty cash account. See, now it has a drop down. So here's a bunch of random cash accounts that I made that are not connected. And yeah, so it will let me choose one. But like I said, if you choose the wrong one, like checking, and there's no checking accounts in QuickBooks, it doesn't even give you a choice to choose anymore. So this screen here itself, the account type, is quite limiting. Okay, so I'm going to choose RBC Visa next, and then it confirms account type credit card, existing account name, RBC Visa, and connect. Now back to the familiar connecting, downloading transactions. And there we go, downloading money in, money out, very exciting stuff. All set, you're connected and ready to go. So if I go back to my main banking screen, you'll see here that there is now a connection and categorize things again. Thank goodness. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out.